All right, moving back here to the Conquest. This is a 6220D as in David. It is a brand new 2023 full warranty. Another buy. I believe this is, I'm not 100%, but I know it's one of the lowest priced brand new motorhomes on the lot. So starting on the outside, it is an E350 Ford chassis, Super Duty, power awning, LED lights. Overall length's 24 foot. It's gonna have feature one slide out. Let's go on the inside and take a look and show everybody. So as you come in, right, you have your dinette, goes down to a bed. Up above the cab, you've got another full bed. So what, we can sleep one, two, possibly two in each spot depending on how big the individual is. Cabinets up above. You're only 24 foot, so you've got a ton of space. Directly across from your seating is going to be your microwave, kitchen area, stainless steel sink, 3-burner cooktop. You do have blue LED lights on your knobs, in an oven as well. It's going to have a big residential refrigerator. As we come up, this is your single slide, so it's a bed slide, so the whole slide slides out. So you've got full walk around bed. You've got some more storage directly around the wall here that you can see as well, and then there's some more storage up above. Let me open up the bathroom, show you that as well. So you've got a shower, you've got a toilet, and then directly behind the door is going to be your medicine cabinet, and then you also have your sink and more storage down below there.